A decorator in TypeScript or Angular is a special function prefixed with at the rate that adds metadata or modifies behavior of a class, method, or property. In Angular, we use decorators like @component, @ngmodule, @injectable, and @input to define structure and handle communication between components. For example, @component tells Angular this class is a UI component and holds metadata like template and selector. In one project, I even wrote a custom method decorator to log execution time of API calls. This helped us optimize performance without cluttering business logic. So, decorators make our code more modular, clean, and powerful, and they are core part of Angular development.